Hey guys, it's Chris from DecoNetwork, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how to enable additional layers of security for your contact forms. There's a few different pages where you may want to turn this on for. The first one being your user registration page. Second one would be your contact form, and last would be your request a quote form. So we're going to take a look at each of those pages and how to enable this additional layer of security. So to start, we're going to jump into the website section here in the admin area. So just note my system here is on a multi-store plan. So I'm going to find customer options here under the website section. If you are on a one-store plan, you're actually going to find customer options under settings. And then from the settings menu, you'll choose customer settings, and then you'll find customer options within there. All right, so we're going to jump back to websites in my case and click customer options there. And what we're looking for here is this option, force reCaptcha on registration. So what we're doing here is we're saying across the board for my entire system, I want reCaptchas on that user registration page. All right, we'll turn that on and hit save. So now whenever someone goes in to register for an account, they'll have to make sure to click that, I'm not a robot button from the Google reCaptcha service. All right, so we've taken care of that. Now let's jump into the website page editor. So I'm going to manage my primary site here. I'll jump into edit website, website pages. And first we're going to take a look at the contact page, right? So we've taken care of user registration. Now we need to take care of contact and request a quote. So I'm going to go into pages, select the contact page to load that. Once the page loads, I want to click on the contact form to load the properties panel. So I'll hover over that form, click it. It's going to open up its properties panel. Down at the bottom here, I'm going to find the show CAPTCHA feature, which I'll enable by clicking it, hit OK, and then save that page to apply the change. Okay. Next, we're going to do the request a quote. So I'll go back into pages, select request a quote. Again, once that page loads, I'll hover over the form and click it to open up the properties panel. This time, we're going to click to expand the CAPTCHA section, click show CAPTCHA to enable it, and once again, save that to apply the change. All right, the last one, which you may want to look at if you have added any custom forms, so you've dropped in any form widgets onto custom pages or system pages, those form widgets also can have a CAPTCHA enabled as well. So if I go back into pages here, I've got a custom page called Get Info. And on that custom page, the only thing I've added is I've dropped in a form widget to collect some information from my user. So once again, I can click that form, and just like we've seen with all the other ones, I can turn on Show CAPTCHA to add that level of security, make sure we're not getting any bot submissions through that. Okay, so save that change. And then lastly, to finalize all of this, just hit publish on your website to send all those changes into your live site. All right, so hopefully this helps out anyone who's receiving unsolicited email through their contact forms.